Namaste, this video is brought to you by Merge Classroom Academy. In part 2 of the cells, we will discuss about unicellular and multicellular organism grouped on the basis of cell number. We can divide in two parts. Either we can divide on unicellular or in a multicellular. Unicellular are those whose bodies are made up of only one cells, and multicellular are those whose body has many cells, even billions of the cells. So if we will think about unicellular, then only the one cell act as a body or act as a whole body, and one cell do all those activities which are required for survival of the cells, which are required for food synthesis, which are required for cell division or increasing their numbers, which are required for other cellular activities. However, in multicellular organs, the body is composed, as I say, with millions of the cells or billions of the cells, and then a group of the same cells make the tissues, and then these tissues make the organs, and then many organs together make a whole body. For example, human body is an example of the multicellular organism, and human body has many organs: heart, liver, hand, eye, nose, brain, etc. And all these organs are made up of the different kind of cells, and these cells spatially work for either brain cells work for brain, heart cells work for pumping of the blood, muscle cells work for working activities, and for example intestine cells, they work for digestion of the food. So individual types of cells work for different or individual kind of activities, and these all activities together needed for the survival of the cells. So here the load on the one cells are very limited because they have many cells or many kind of varieties. It's a kind of big office where they have branch manager or they have some workers and they have cashiers or something, and then they individually work for particular kind of purpose. However, in unicellular cells, as I say, one cell acts as a body and it needs to do all activities, either is digestion, either is cell division, either is respiration or other things. It's like if we can say one example, then like a student who is appearing in exam, and then the student only responsible to clear all kind of subject in his exams. He is responsible to learn, he is responsible to write in the exam. So this whole kind of load is on a single student. So unicellular is something like that. Okay, and then if we will see this picture here, this is the one cell. The one cell can, as I say, make the tissues. The same kind of cells will make tissues, and then many tissues will make the organs. For example, they can make either retina in the eye, they can make liver cells inside the intestine, they can make brain cells inside the brain, and then combination of these all organs will make the body. For example, human body, as I said, something like this. This is one cell, and then these are a bunch of the cells make the tissue, and then the combination of many tissues make the organs, and then they make finally the body. So these, where the only one cells are available, these organism called unicellular. In more scientific category we will discuss later, it's called prokaryotic cells. Those are like very simple system we considered. These are primitive and first appeared in a living system in the earth. So this is a very easy system in the life. And then another is a multicellular organs. Generally we categorize them in another category which is called eukaryotic. And eukaryotic is very complex system. They have many cells, they have many organs, they have many activities, and they need all these for survival. I will later discuss about prokaryotic and eukaryotic in next video. Here there are some examples how cells make the body, part of the body, or some particular system inside the body. For example, muscle cells, one muscle cells combined with many will make the muscular tissue, and then these tissue will make muscles. For example, upper muscles in the hand, you can see here, and then many there are many muscular system. I mean, there's a one muscular system, but there are many part in the muscular system. For example, muscles in the hand, muscles in the chest, muscles in the leg, and they all need for for working or for functional activities where we need energy. Another example is nerve cells. They makes the nerve tissues, and then nerve tissue will make the brain. Many nerve tissues are available in the brain. Actually, nerves tissue, as we know, brain is the part of sensation. We can think, we can understand what is happening, and we can do several intelligence activities from our brain. And then this brain is connected with the body's nervous system. There are many nerves. Those send the signals to brains, and we recognize, for example, when we touch the hot rod, we suddenly recognize, oh, this is hot. This is because of the nerve cells. When we touch something sharp, we recognize this is sharp. When we feel cold, when we feel hot, or any sensation, these all are recognized by nervous system. Third example is blood cells. Many blood cells make the blood. Blood has several kind of cells, either white blood cells or red blood cells. White blood cells again has 5 type of white blood cells, so they all make the blood. And then this blood cells flow in the heart, and then this heart is connected through the veins in whole body, and then this transport oxygen or nutrient to the blood. So this is what they made the circulatory system. This is they all are the one example, like one kind of cells controlled by the one system, and one kind of cells make the one system. And same as the epithelial cells, they make intestine, and intestine, as you know, is useful, very very useful, or it's actually the most important part in our body, which digest our food and provide energy to the body. Okay, then if we divide the multicellular and unicellular organs, then plant, some fungi, protists, and animals are categorized in multicellular organs, and the bacteria and archaea or archaeobacteria, those they are present in the very hot environment. For example, minus 70 degree or 80 degree or above temperature. So they are present or survive in almost boiling temperature. And bacteria, as you know, are everywhere. Even our body has more bacteria than the total number of cells inside the body. So bacteria exist in air, in water, in soil, and everywhere. And some bacteria are very useful for body. They are symbiotic, and some bacteria are very dangerous, and they cause many diseases. So these are the simple categorization of the uni and multicellular organism. Thank you very much. For more videos and information, you can visit our website, or you can write email to us, and you can visit blogs or YouTube channels or our Facebook page for latest update for any new video. Thank you.